you got there, Bo? What do you got there? What are you eating? Are you eating diabetes?
You show me a kid that doesn't like frosting.
Oh, that's a good
Go for the
piece.
green and the blue, you notice.
Mmm, yummy.
We gotta be done now, Bo, okay? That's enough. One more.
Oh.
That's a good one. That's it.
Picture of that.
We are. That's done. Okay. Bye-bye.
Yay!
Hey!
Can you smile at me, Bo? Smile at Dada. Go, ah. But stick your tongue out at Dada. Say bye-bye. Bo, say happy birthday, Bo. Happy birthday, Bo.